Mados infekcijos transliacijas internetu pristato Skynet, greičiausias internetas Lietuvoje.
I'm really feeling your style, 'cause I have to know your name and leave you with my number, and I hope that you will call me someday. If you want, you can give me yours too, and if you don't, well, I ain't mad at you. We could still be cool. I'm not trying to pressure you, just can't stop thinking about you. You ain't even really gotta be my boyfriend. See, I just want to know your name, and maybe sometime we can hook up, hang out, just chill, yeah. Damn, I'm surprised that you called, 'cause the way you walk away, I thought I was gonna see you no more, since you didn't want to give me your name. Thought that you were digging me and wasn't digging me. But anyway, what you doing tonight? I'll probably be with my peeps. If it's cool, you can swing by. You can just chill, or you can just chill with me. As long as you comfortable, you feel secure, and you out with me. I'm not trying to pressure you, just can't stop thinking about you. You ain't even really gotta be my boy. You gotta be my boyfriend. Your name, and maybe sometime we can hook up, hang out, just chill. Oh yeah. I would like to be your energy. I would like to feel where you love me. Many times I've tried to find secret key to make you mine. I'm the one you need. I will make you complete. I'm bad in love, can't you see? You're making me act so crazy. When you put your arms around me, the world has no meaning to me. No one will love you more than I do. Tell me if you do. I wanted to know in this world, no one better than you. your eye, you gave me rainbows and butterflies. We did enjoy our happiness. When our love was over, I was such a mess. I smiled at you and you smiled back. That's when I knew there's no turning back. You said you loved me and I did too. When our love was over, I still love you. You're in my mind, you're in my heart. Wish I knew right from the start. All my friends say you break my heart. A heartbreaker right from the start. A heartbreaker right from the start. I tried to find it, I've tried so hard that every day I pray to God that you and me we're meant to be. But you had another, you had a lover, and now it's gone, and I don't know why. I feel like crying, just want to die. I can't forget you, and you know why. Though I tried so hard to catch your eye.